My top 15 for Miss Grand International 2025 after the arrivals, tapos sashing ceremony, and the press conference. So, are you ready? Let us begin with Zambia. So, this contestant from the African continent is giving us a strong vibe, especially when she is on stage. So, I observe her strong stage presence, the confidence factor, and of course, the chances of winning the crown is very high. So, watch out for Zambia. I'm excited for Venezuela because this country is sending a candidate with a complete package. And one interesting thing about Venezuela is all about her eloquence. Whenever interviews will come on her way, she is very eloquent, and then she loves how to answer candid questions, and she's there to win the crown. So watch out for Venezuela as well. How about Myanmar? Yes, I believe she is also going to make it to the top 15 because I observe she has a bubbly personality, she has a sweet attitude, she has a soft spoken voice that other girls and the staff really like about her. So I'm so excited to see her on the top 15. Try lang natin mag-English once in a while. So, libre lait.
I also included Indonesia as one of my top 15 after the arrivals. It's because when I look at her, she seems so prepared. She has that strong confidence factor, and then her styling. What I love about her style is that she's giving us a fresh new look each day. So she is probably not going to disappoint us after the preliminary show or even during the finals night. I also have on my list is the lady from Ghana, and I believe she is one of the most talented candidate in this competition because she wowed us with her prowess voice. So what I love also about her is that she is genuine, she's also trained, she is outspoken, and I believe she can make a good standing in Miss Grand International. Of course, I included France as one of my top 15. It's because when you look at her, she looks so expensive, she looks regal, and she looks like a fashion model. So she's resonating this kind of regalness in MGI. So if the stars will be aligning for her, then you should also watch out for this girl. Let's also talk about Guatemala. So this representative from Central American region is giving us grace under pressure. That's why she is likable, and I can sense that she is prepared, she's confident, and I am sure she will not disappoint us during the preliminaries and in the final. We all know that Thailand will not really back down in this competition, even if we are aware that she is the host candidate for this competition. It's because she is trained, she is well prepared, she is loved by many, she has a sea of fans. That's why she is very confident also to enter or penetrate the top 15 all the way through top 5. So, let's see how it goes. So, pumunta ulit tayo sa Europe, and it's Miss Grand United Kingdom. So what I love about her is her ethereal na aura. Napaka-mystical and parang napapanood mo yung anghel, no? So that's her vibe in my own observation after seeing her photos, mga videos, mga ganyan. And eloquent din siya, no? Pagdating sa mga question and answer. Tapos may hugot talaga yung mga sinasabi niya. So let's also watch out for UK. Another African delegate is also included, and she's no other than Miss Grand Tanzania. So I previously watched her videos prior to participating in Miss Grand International. Maganda yung kanyang walk. I love her catwalk, her stage presence. Talagang iba din siya, no? Palavan. So may laban din siya, and let's hope and see sa preliminary competition and in the finals night. Another on my list is from Canada. So Miss Grand Canada is also prepared for Miss Grand International. Nakita ko yung mga videos niya sa mga pasarela trainings, mga Q&A, the styling, and I do hope na consistent siya throughout the competition so that she can also penetrate sa top 15, and I hope na hindi mabigo yung aking pagpili sa kanya. So, tignan na lang natin kung ano mangyayari kay Miss Grand Canada. I also included Malaysia on my list. It's because I believe she is also prepared in this competition. Meron siyang team of stylists. Makikita natin na confident din siya. Ang ganda ng mga ayos niya, ang ganda ng mga aura niya. Hindi siya aloof sa mga audience or sa mga pageant fans na lumalapit sa kanya. So, I believe she can make it. She can penetrate the first cut in this competition. So, let's see.
Next on my list is Colombia. And one thing about her that amazes me most is her catwalk. She has a very strong catwalk, no? So you can tell that she is prepared for this competition. Tapos alam naman natin na maganda yung mga trainers nila doon. And then she is confident. Malakas talaga yung aura niya, no? Sa stage presence niya. So I would like to watch her sa preliminary competition and sa finals night. Resonating din ang fierceness ni Miss Grand Mexico. Kasi kung titignan mo siya sa stage, grabe no, medyo malakas din yung kanyang aura. So the stage presence, yung kanyang walk, yung tindig niya, tapos yung striking eyes na ready talagang mag-laser sa'yo. So she is ready to laser the judges on stage, especially sa preliminary competition and sa finals night. And of course, the Philippines. So, Emma Tiglao is really proving herself to be one of the most formidable candidates sa MGI 2025, and she is hoping to have a back-to-back win for the Philippines. So, makikita natin talaga na she is passionate, talagang dinededicate talaga niya yung kanyang laban for the Philippines, yung mga OOTDs niya, the fan support, yung mga stylists. So, kompleto rekado talaga si Philippines. So, I do hope na magkakaroon ng good placement ang Philippines this year for NGI, pero wag tayong masyadong umasa. So, prayers for her and more support. And there you have it, guys. My top 15 for Miss Grand International after the arrivals, press presentation, flashing ceremony. So, I do hope na the majority of my picks will be chosen sa top 15 sa finals night, no? Pero tignan pa rin natin sa kanilang performances during the preliminary competition ng MGI 2025. So, that will be all. I do accept any criticisms, especially sa pag-English ko. Hindi naman tayo perfect, di ba? So, yun lang guys. Thank you. If you love how I vlog about pageantry, just follow or subscribe my channel. That's it guys. Thank you and have a nice day. Mwah!